What's up guys, this is Willie. Welcome back to 3 Pedal Devils. Today we're working on the TaoTao TBR7 again. We're going to be doing a quick install with this Nibbi racing ignition coil. Shouldn't take too long, so let's roll the intro and get right into it. So as you can see, I've already got the bike stripped down so that I can get at the stock ignition coil. You just have to pull the 2 fairings on either side and pull the seat off so you can get at the tank mounting bolt. Pull that one, disconnect the fuel level sensor, pull the fuel hose off the carb, and then the tank should come right off. And then we'll get to this point. So then you've got your stock ignition coil here. I already took the stock spark plug boot off. This is the resistor style one that the bike comes with. I just unthreaded it, pulled it right off the wire, and I'll be installing it on the Nibbi coil pretty soon here. So what I'm going to do now is take off these 2 bolts. They look like 10 millimeters. Pull the old coil off, get going with the new one. I'm going to disconnect the lead here. Got the stock one off. Gonna keep that in my box as a spare for now. Then I'm gonna take the new Nibbi one, put it right in its place. Looks like the holes line up pretty good. Gonna put that ground ring terminal the same spot it was before on the old one. Just like that. And disconnect the spade that it came with, and then reconnect the stock one. So I cut a little length of the new wire off and then started threading on the plug boot. Alright, I got my ignition coil installed and the spark plug stuff back on. Then I put everything else back together, just took it for a quick spin, seemed to run pretty good. Anyways, I'm about to go head home and grab a grinder for Bo. He's making an exhaust for his XS400. Come back to check that out because it's going to be pretty wild. And then after that, hopefully Matt will be done with the stand by then and I can start mounting up my D605s for this bad boy. That's going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe so you can come back and check out the next ones. Thanks. And Max.
No. You ever clean a dirt bike?
Never.
Yeah. I usually leave mine outside all winter.
Roasted. Now we just need someone to roast Bo.
I know.
I'll get Tit to do it. Hey Tit, roast Bo.
You have a small penis.
Alright, I'll roast me because I'm the one who hasn't been roasted yet.
You look like the creepy dude from Lord of the Rings.
My precious. Oh no.